Hi, this is the week 1 and this is your mind starter. So this is how we're going to begin every math class. They're going to be labeled MS1, MS2, MS3, MS4, and MS5. There are 5. 1 through 4 are review. And they're the same type questions every day. They're practice. Day 5 is for grade. Now, the good thing about mind starters is they are meant for you to maintain a good grade in this class and for you to keep up on the things that we've already went over, to keep reviewing, to keep them fresh in your mind. So by the end of the year, you're not going to have forgotten everything I've taught you day 1. This week's mind starter, since I haven't taught you yet, will be on 4th grade standards. Everything in here is going to be things that you went over in 4th grade. Again, there's 10 questions. The way the mind starter is set up, the odd questions are what I call math rules. It is not a steadfast rule, but it is just a sentence that helps you remember how to do a specific math procedure. This week, we're going over adding and subtracting fractions. We're going over 2-digit multiplication, 2-digit division, 2 or 3-digit division. We're going over angles. So these are all topics that you went over last year. And if you look at question 1, it's how do you add fractions? And you have to pick whether you do numerator plus numerator, denominator plus denominator, or if you do both, you add the numerators and you add the denominators. So you would pick one and then you would work the problem. Now it's day 1. Last year was months ago. Plus, with things going on, you may not remember how to add fractions. That's the good thing about the mind starter. Even when we're on current topics, even when we get to 5th grade topics, day 1, I will go through them with you, or you can ask questions. Then day 2, you will know them better. You'll know the rules, and you might be able to go through and answer some of those questions on your own. Hopefully by day 5, it's old hat, you'll get the questions right, no problem, and you'll maintain that good grade for math. Now, I will do a video of answering these questions, but think about it. As soon as you hit submit, I have it set up so you can review your answers. Look at the ones you missed. Look what the answer should be. See if you can figure out why you missed it. If it's a math rule, it isn't a why you missed it. It's just that you need to think about it and learn it. If it's the actual math problem, then you're going to need to know how to work that problem. Read the math rule. See if it makes sense. Look at the problem. See how to work the problem. I am here for help. You can ask me a question live. You can ask me a question via email, and I'm going to have set up a chat on Google Classroom where you can post questions there as well. All right, there's tons of ways to get the information from me, but I'm not the only expert out there. You can ask parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, YouTube. Khan Academy is a great academy to ask for questions. Lots of places that you can go and seek help. But this mind starter is all set up the same way. Math rule, then a question about that math rule. Math rule, working a problem with that math rule. Math rule, and on this one, you can only click 1 for obtuse. It is either exactly 90, less than 90, or more than 90. And again, it follows suit all the way down. So at this point, I would like you to go into Google Classroom and find your mind starter and get it completed. If you have any questions, be sure to ask. Thank you.